Hey everybody, SodaPope here once again, and today I get episode 65 of Gaming with Pope. Hell yeah! And hopefully you guys understand why I haven't been here for a while. I didn't upload any videos last week, and I uploaded a video before that basically talking, I was going to Florida, spring break, enjoyed the warm weather, and beaches and shit like that, so pretty cool. Actually, I'll talk about that for a second, but I'll put an annotation in the video right now. If you guys want to skip to the, me talking about gameplay and everything, kind of like a normal Gaming with Pope episode. But first off, let's talk about some pictures, because I took some pretty awesome ones. This first one is, we went to the beach there at Sanibel, which is an island. It's kind of near Fort Myers. It's pretty warm weather, pretty fucking awesome. Got some birds in there. Put a nice filter on there, pretty fucking cool. The next picture is, basically, we stayed at this guy's house. We know him from up here in Illinois, and he has a house on Sanibel. It's really nice. We don't have a house that nice, so don't expect that. But he has a house that nice, and it's pretty fucking awesome. So pretty cool. That's where we stayed at. Next one is an alligator that I saw over there. It's called Ding Darling. It's a Nation Wildlife Reserve, I think, something like that. The Nation Wildlife Land or whatever. But they had that on there. It's a alligator with rusty screws for nails. I thought it was pretty cool. This next one's just from Ding Darling as well, although it's a vertical shot, so it kind of looks weird on this, but still pretty cool. Some nice beaches and shit like that. Next one is just a flower I found there. Got a really nice detailed shot on there. That's a poinsettia, and it was just watered, so it looks pretty fucking cool, I think. And this next one, it's like the day before we left. It was windy as a motherfucker, and some big waves coming out on the ocean. So pretty cool. Yeah, there's all the pictures. Pretty good stuff. And let's see. Let's move into this article, or this Gaming with Pope episode. The article's basically talking about Titanfall. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and the gameplay, by the way, it's Killzone. Now, I still don't have the gameplay totally figured out, because, I'm sure you guys know from last episode, I was having some issues with the gameplay. I think I can get some of the gameplay working until I fix everything up. But until then, I guess, if you guys still want to leave suggestions, I can still record it and hopefully fix it later. Anyways, let's jump right on into this video and fuck some shit up. So, moving on to our first Gaming with Pope article. This one's talking about Titanfall. Hell yeah! That game came out last week, and it's been a pretty big hit so far. Plenty of videos on YouTube about it and everything. And this article was talking about the Xbox One hardware. It said that the hardware jumped 96% on the Titanfall launch, which is pretty fucking incredible. I mean, like, that's almost twice as many consoles as they were selling before. And it's really not surprising for kind of two things. I talked in my last video about Titanfall bundles, where the console was the same price and everything, but they gave you a copy of Titanfall with it, which is pretty fucking cool. It's a $60 value, of course, although it is a digital copy, which kind of sucks. But still pretty cool. In addition to that, also, I mean, the game is Xbox exclusive, although it kind of isn't at the same time. It's for the Xbox 360, the Xbox One, but it's also on PC, which is, by the way, where I got it. I got it on PC. It's beautiful. From what I've played so far, it's pretty fucking cool. It's also on Xbox One, which is probably where most people are gonna get it. So that's pretty cool. Jump the hardware. That's really what Microsoft needs. I still think it's kind of bullshit that the game isn't on the PS4, because, to be honest, it would look beautiful on the PS4. I've heard about frame rate issues on the Xbox One with Titanfall. I haven't actually played it, so I guess I can't really, prove it or anything. But I've heard that. That kind of sucks. And I know on the PS4 it could have fucking looked beautiful. But anyways, I guess that's cool. Microsoft really needed that help. Now we need some really great exclusives on the PS4. Come on, Sony. Let's get to it. But that's still pretty cool. And by the way, if you guys want to play with me online, I don't know if... I guess it goes through Origin, but I think my name on there is Sergeant Pope. I don't know if you guys can look me up. But if you guys have Titanfall on PC, hell yeah, let's play some of that shit. It's going to be fucking crazy. So, moving to our second Gaming with Pope article. I'm really kind of surprised to see this, but it's kind of interesting at the same time, at the very least. It's talking about 5 Hour Energy, and apparently they're getting a Titanfall edition of their drinks. So it's available at Walmart, and it's only for a limited time. So you might want to pause this video and run right over to your Walmart right now and pick that shit up, because I'm sure it's just going to be flying off the shelves. I mean, the game is just so good that you got to have 5 Hour Energy to keep you awake while you're playing it, or, well, from the long sessions. You'll be playing it day and night, and you got to need that shit to, you know, fuck up the, I haven't actually played it a lot, so I don't even know anything about it. But anyways, pretty cool. Titanfall energy drinks. Get them at Walmart. And actually, a funny thing in this article, now I'll quote this. The flavor is berry because our review pointed out that the game is very good. Yeah, you gotta love Shacknews and their kind of jokes, I guess. But anyways, pretty cool. Run over to Walmart and pick up some 5 Hour Energy Titanfall Edition, and then I guess play it. But play it on PC because it's better on there anyway. So cool stuff. And diving into our third Game is Bob article. Actually, this one's really not about gaming, and I'm not going to talk about it too much because in the beginning of this video I talked about those pictures a bunch, and that kind of took up a lot of time. But this last article is pretty cool. Check it out in the description if you guys want to. It basically shows you the process on how Amazon ships things so quickly. And basically, some of it is they use these little orange robots, and they run around through highways in the store. And it's just really freaking crazy. It has a lot of pictures, and there's a video at the bottom. I suggest you watch the video at the bottom because, you know, it's a pretty good video, pretty interesting. Shows you exactly just, I mean, because, I mean, if you have Prime membership like me, I mean, that shit just gets shipped out like crazy fast. And this is how they do it. They use robots, and pretty fucking cool. So check it out if you guys want to. Link in the description below. And that pretty well finished up episode 65 of Game News with Pope. Thanks for stopping by in this episode, and thanks for sticking by with me for that week I didn't make any videos because I was in Florida for spring break. That was great. I fucking loved that, you know, the warm weather and everything. And then I actually got a tan on my legs, my arms, and everything. It was pretty fucking cool. But then I came back up here to Illinois, and it's fucking freezing, and it's fucking bullshit. But anyways, you know, thanks for stopping by. You know, actually, a lot of stuff changed during that week, too. Like, Ecos3 quit. Or, well, well, you know, he ended the show for him, at least. Facebook got a new update, and apparently they can't find this fucking plane. So, anyways, thanks for stopping by. The gameplay was Killzone Shadowfall. If you guys want to play it, it's a pretty good game. It's probably the best PS4 exclusive so far, I'd say. So check it out if you guys want to. Let's see if you guys have any gameplay suggestions. Leave those in the comment section below, and I'll try to play them for future episodes. And hope you guys like the article, Titanfall, shit like that. If you guys want to drop a like on this video, be sure to do it. That really, really does help me out, so please do it. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are fucking awesome, and you be sure to have a great motherfucking day. See ya! Farmville 2.